Day is Friday, October 30th, 2020. I know what tomorrow is. Tomorrow is the 31st, and it is Halloween Day. Be sure that if you decide to go trick-or-treating with your families or whatever you're doing for that, to be safe and healthy when you are out getting your treats. Today is Orange and Black Day. I've got on my orange. I've got on my black underneath it. I am ready to go for Orange and Black Day. I have a couple friends with me. I've got my skeleton all ready to go. I also have my little jack-o'-lantern light in case it gets dark tonight before I leave work. Always needed. Be sure that you look at the joke of the day today. This is an extra special one. It's a Halloween theme. And this time when you click the ghost to get the answer, see what happens. The joke of the day is what happens when a vampire goes in the snow. Kind of perfect because the weather's been just horrible. Fits in. I found a good one for today. Teachers and families, if you're watching, if you would like to add to our Orange and Black Padlet, all you need to do is click the word here next to the pencil near upcoming events. It will take you to a Padlet where you can upload a picture of you and your family, maybe your pet, your child, anybody dressed up in orange and black, or if you choose in your Halloween costume, and we can all share those, which would be really, really fun to do. Today's poems, I picked two that are just perfect. The first one by Shel Silverstein is called Enter This Deserted House. How many of you will enter that house tonight? Enter this deserted house, but please walk softly as you do. Frogs dwell here and crickets too. Ain't no ceiling, only blue. Jays dwell here and sunbeams too. Floors are flowers, take a few. Ferns grow here and daisies too. Whoosh, swish, toot, whip, toot, hoo. Bats dwell here and hoot owls, hoo. Ha ha, hee hee, hoo hoo. Gnomes dwell here and goblins too. And my child, I thought you knew. I dwell here, and so do you. There's our haunted house. Looking good. The next one is going to be on page 65, and it's called Snowman. This is kind of the opposite because this talks about when we have snow in the spring, and this is snow in the fall because we haven't changed seasons yet to winter, although the time change is in the middle of the night on Saturday, so be sure you fall back and move those clocks back. This is called Snowman. 'Twas the first day of the springtime, and the snowman stood alone, as the winter snows were melting, and the pine trees seemed to groan. Ah, you poor, sad, smiling snowman, you'll be melting by and by, said the snowman. What a pity, for I'd like to see July. Yes, I'd like to see July, and please don't ask me why, but I'd like to. Yes, I'd like to. Oh, I'd like to see July. Chirped a robin just arriving, seasons come and seasons go, and the greatest ice must crumble when it flowers time to grow. And as one thing is beginning, so another thing must die, and there's never been a snowman who has ever seen July. No, they've never seen July, no matter how hard they try. No, they never, ever, never, ever, never see July. But the snowman sniffed his carrot nose and said, at least I'll try. And he bravely smiled his frosty smile and blinked his coal-black eye. And there he stood and faced the sun a-blazing from the sky. And I really cannot tell you if he ever saw July. Did he ever see July? You can guess as well as I. If he ever, if he never, if he ever saw July. There's no picture for that one, but I want you to picture it in your head. With that snowman facing the sun, do you think he made it to July? I don't know. It gets pretty warm. Well, boys and girls, on this very last day of October that we are together, I want everybody to have a wonderful, fun, safe weekend. I will see everybody on Monday morning. It will be a new month. It'll be the month of November. I'll see you then.